With that, we have breaking news coming in at the very top of this segment. Jittery China lashes out at Dalai Lama, edged out of succession battle. China fumes. The dragon now has to say, and we quote, Dalai Lama cannot decide the successors. China wants own puppet Dalai Lama next. India backs Dalai Lama in succession war. Rijiju has come out to say only Dalai Lama can decide on succession. China seems to be losing grip on the Dalai succession matter. This is the current news that we have for you. Let's quickly listen in first to what Kiren Rijiju had to say on this matter before we take this up further.
मैं एक डिवोटी हूँ, परम पावन दलाई लामा जी को मानता हूँ। मैं इस नाते कहता हूँ कि पूरे दुनिया में परम पावन दलाई लामा जी को जो मानते हैं वो उनका इच्छा है कि दलाई लामा जी खुद तय करेंगे। ये अनुयायी का इच्छा है। मैं भारत सरकार का बिहाफ से या चाइनीज गवर्नमेंट का स्टेटमेंट को मैं कुछ उस पर नहीं कह रहा हूँ। मैं किसी का बिहाफ से नहीं कह रहा हूँ। दलाई लामा जी का अनुयायी के हिसाब से कह रहा हूँ।
With that, we have Shivani Sharma joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details and put this matter into further context. Shivani, a very good afternoon to you. We have been watching the entire developments that's been coming on the succession story now. We've seen Dalai Lama put forward his points. We've seen China put forward their point at this given point. But what it really seems like is that the dragon is losing the plot here. Would you say so?
Shriya, dragon seems to be very uncomfortable, especially after the Dalai Lama himself. He had said that the reincarnation will be decided by him, and the official trust that has been formed in 2015 by him. And India has said, and especially the Union Minister Kiren Rijiju, who has also met Dalai Lama while the celebrations of his 90th birthday are going on in Dharamshala, he has said that no one else but Dalai Lama has all the right. No interference should be done from Chinese side, especially, and these statements we've been seeing since last 3 days when Dalai Lama had made the statement. And the fresh uncomfortable remark that comes from China says that even Dalai Lama cannot decide because the process has been quite old and traditional one, and China owns the whole process. So this is how now jittery China is giving out comments against Dalai Lama, while in India we see thousands of devotees are meeting him, greeting him, celebrating his birthday.
Right, Shivani, do stay with us at this point. Let's bring our viewers up to date with all that's happened so far. It is the birthday of the Dalai Lama. He turns 90. The spiritual beacon, Dalai Lama, turns 90, and the spiritual event was marked with reverence and joy, drew dignitaries, monks and devotees from across the world to honor the Tibetan leader's legacy of peace and compassion. Thousands of devotees attended prayers in Himachal Pradesh's Dharamshala for Dalai Lama's long life. Dalai Lama even said that he hopes to live for another 30 to 40 years and serve the people till he's 130. Several dignitaries, including actor and activist Richard Gere, Union Ministers Kiren Rijiju and Lalan Singh, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu and Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara all attended the ceremonies. The celebrations are being held amid tussle with China over his successor. Dalai Lama recently stated that his successor would be chosen by the India-based Gaden Fordram Trust, which is a non-profit organization that he himself set up, not by any other authority. And this statement was seen as a message to China, quite a clear and loud one at that.
Our children, 무슨 책을 저자단에 아들 비시 가르가는 신문이 아들 시 로자도 수수소다지 돼야지 네
What a joyous, joyous day to celebrate this extraordinary life of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I love from His Holiness's point of view, Every moment is a birthday. Every breath is a birthday. Every heartbeat is a birthday. And that's what he's taught us. And that's what we should be living, with this openness and love and compassion for all beings. I mean, my own life is a pretty typical Western life. And I think I'm speaking for all the Westerners who are watching this online right now, or however you watch these things. We've never seen someone like this, who totally embodies selflessness, complete love and compassion and wisdom. We've never seen a human being like this.
नमस्कार तसीदिले परम पावन दलाई लामा जी के चरणों में नमन. Today, with deep reverence and boundless joy, I join millions around the world in wishing His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama a most happy and joyful 98th birthday. This is a celebration of a remarkable life dedicated to compassion, wisdom, and non-violence. Your Holiness, you are more than a spiritual leader. You are a living bridge between ancient wisdom and the modern world.
We welcome the joyous and unwavering support to the recent reaffirmation by His Holiness on the continuation of the institution of Dalai Lama. The historic declaration has brought clarity and comfort to the millions and millions of people, especially the Himalayan Buddhist community, and reaffirms our collective commitment to uphold the traditional Tibetan Buddhism process for the recognition of its reincarnation in line with the guidance